Hey everyone, we're making a delicious pizza dip today, a mushroom olive pizza dip. If you love pizza, I clearly like pizza. If you love pizza and you're like, I need more pizza in my life because who doesn't, you're gonna love this dip. Let's get to it. So the first thing you're gonna do is set that oven to 375 degrees. While that's warming up, let me tell you about California crops. Did you know that California grows over 50% of the nation's fresh produce? Pretty cool, which is why we're using mushrooms and these California olives in this delicious pizza dip. I'm also gonna sneak in some spinach because you know what? More veggies, the better. So first thing you wanna do, take your softened cream cheese. We're gonna take that cream cheese, gonna add in some mozzarella, some Parmesan cheese, some garlic, and some spinach, but you can add in whatever veggies you want. I mean, California grows over like 400 specialty crops. We're like a vending machine for fresh produce, people. So make this pizza whatever you want. But I'm gonna tell you, the mushroom and those California olives, super tasty. So take that, mix it all together, and then we're gonna add it to a casserole dish. You can use any casserole dish, but I recommend a round one because you know what? That's how pizza comes. It's round. Unless I'm making it, then it looks like Africa. So spread the marinara over the cream cheese mixture. Now you're gonna add in that remaining mozzarella, some cheddar cheese, and now our toppings. We got some sliced mushrooms and our California olives. Again, California grows over 50% of the produce for the nation. Like, we feed y'all. And we grow over 400 different specialty crops. So, like I said, we're a vending machine when it comes to fresh produce. So we're gonna add in those toppings, and now we're gonna put it in the oven. We're gonna bake it for about 30 minutes. Here's what you wanna look for. You wanna see that it's bubbling around the edges. That pizza sauce and that cream cheese, that's gonna be bubbling around the edges. That's how you know it's done. Then when you take it out, you know what you get to do? You get to eat it. Yeah, like I said, you get to eat it. So go ahead and let me know what you think of this delicious mushroom and olive pizza dip. Sneak in as many veggies as you want. It's super tasty, quick to make, and delicious.